It's been 16 days since my last flight. So today I'm excited because I'll be flying again. I'm also excited because I have a new camera from Sony. So they sent me this camera for me to review. So I'm taking you to my flight today. So today we'll be going to Cagayan de Oro, and today is going to be exciting because we are on a race against nature. There is a typhoon coming in. Its name is Typhoon Rolly, and it's a category 5 hurricane according to the US, and from Pag-asa we call it Super Typhoon. So Manila is going to be on signal number 3 on Sunday. Today is Saturday, so tomorrow we'll be experiencing the typhoon, but we are going to take off from Manila going to Cagayan today at 1 or 2 p.m. and then we'll be back here in Manila at around 7 p.m., which is when the typhoon is closing in. So it's going to be exciting. I hope there will be no delays, and I hope that the weather is going to be still fine when we get back to Manila. By the way, like I told you, Sony sent me this A7C, which is a full frame camera. If you don't know, I'm also an admin in Mirrorless Philippines United, which is a Facebook group, and we discuss about cameras, and one of my hobbies is of course cameras. That's what I use for me to tell my story to you guys. Okay, just a disclaimer, Sony did send me this camera, but I told them that I will be reviewing this and I will tell you the pros and cons, especially when you use it for vlogging. They don't get to see this video before I release it, and they're not paying me. They're not a sponsor, but they're letting me borrow the camera. Para lang malinaw. Wala. We arrived early today. Talagang sinadya ko. I made it sure that I come to the office early because I want to have plenty of time talking to you guys. And new normal, just to give you an update on how we do it now during the pandemic. We never fly without the mask. We never fly without the face shield. It's always mandatory to wear these things. Actually, sometimes I wear 2 masks just to be sure. It's always important to follow all the protocols regarding social distancing, and also regarding the wearing of this protective gear. Regarding the flying on weather conditions, I know I already had a video before showing you how we fly it and how we do it during bad weather conditions. Usually when we fly through bad weather, we bring extra fuel. Some of you guys are asking how come in other countries they can land the aircraft even if the weather is really bad. Teka lang, I'm all alone here. Whether the airplane is really bad, the weather is really bad, the airplane can land automatically. That's true. When we fly to Incheon, to Beijing, and to other airport like Hong Kong, we perform auto land. That's because their facilities are equipped to handle that. We call that Cat 2 or Cat 3 landings. The aircraft is equipped to do that. However, the airport must also be equipped to handle Cat 2 and Cat 3 approaches. So there are equipment that need to be installed on the runway for us to be able to perform those kinds of approaches and landings. So unfortunately, here in the Philippines, we don't have any airports that are equipped for Cat 2 and Cat 3. Maybe someday, maybe the one that they're building in Bulacan, I heard that it's going to be big and very advanced. I hope that they include that when we go to another airport, when we divert to another airport. That's additional cost for the company. I like this camera because it has a front facing screen. You can flip the screen, so pwede ko siyang gawing parang mirror para sa aking beauty routine, which is wearing this masks and this face shield. Diba? That's the new standard. Where are you flying?
I'm flying to Kagayan, the Euro.
Really?
Yeah, with Captain Capicio.
First, we need to update all our charts so that when we fly, we get the updated charts and all updated manuals.
Well, I'll be now flying to Ilo.
Yeah, they changed it already. Indefinite.
Okay.
As per
Installation successful.
so we just stand by here.
Ito mga isa sa pinakamagiting na piloto ng Cebu Pacific. Sir, IP ko yan. Instructor pilot namin yan. Where are you flying, sir?
Hong Kong, sir.
Hong Kong. May bagyo.
No, good boys flying.
Good boys flight. Safe flight, sir. Jeremy, saan ka lilipad?
I'm going to Tacloban.
Taklo. Passenger yan, sir.
Yes.
Safe flight.
Will be
Sir Emil.
romancing with
Rolly.
hindi, Rolly ba?
Si Rolly.
Yeah. Rolly.
So, kuhan ka rin, sir, Storm Chaser.
Yes.
Arms! The best FO.
Sama mo.
Flying with you.
Nakapag-vlog.
So, we're flying with Princess and Monica. And of course, the Wolverine of Cebu Pacific. Si Hugh Jackman. Sir, safe flight.
Ano, kailangan mo ba? Yan.
Mamaya o bukas.
Panoorin mo ka.
Safe flight, sir.
Foxtrot 0500 Zulu, expect RMP VR Zulu approach, runway 06, runway 06 in use, wind 010 degrees at 13 knots, visibility 8 kilometers.
Delivery Cebu 397. Morning.
Cebu 307, clearance delivery, good afternoon, go ahead.
Cebu 397 on bay 124 Romeo and Airbus A321. Information backstop, specificated. It's clearance to Kagayan. Hindi level 370.
Cebu 397, clearance on request, standby.
Standby Cebu 397.
Report by Pata Bravo 462, Mass Whiskey 8. Backpass Whiskey 6 Alpha. Maintain on the heading 7,000 feet until for advice. Consider vectors Ipata, Squawk 4205.
Cebu 397 is cleared to the Indian Airport by Panta, ground 462 Masco, 8 Octan, 6 Alpha, and climb in 7,000, runway heading on departure. Expect radar vectors to IPATA is squawk 4205, Cebu 397.
Cebu 397, clearance feedback correct, contact ground 121.18 for startup.
1218, Cebu 397. Clear as filed. Runway heading and 7,000 initial altitude.
And at 424, Philippine Heavy is leaving way, taxi November.
So we're now in Cagayan de Oro. It was Captain Nayi who landed the aircraft. Sir.
Hi there.
So, ganun ulit. We'll prepare the aircraft again. All cargo will be unloaded. Then we'll go back to Manila. Hopefully, weather is still good in Manila. At saka, sana hindi namin ma-encounter en route. When we were flying going here at about 22,000 feet, we experienced some heavy turbulence. So we needed to climb immediately to 37,000 feet so that we can avoid those turbulence. Hopefully later when we go back, it will be okay. Andun yung kasama natin sa kabila. There are also cargo flights. I think there are 3 cargo flights here in Lagindingan, and then a passenger flight just flew a while ago. Sir, anong mapapayo mo sa mga gustong maging piloto?
Right now, habang pandemic, i-confirm nyo kung talagang yun ay papasukin nyo na career, then you prepare physically, mentally para pagdating ng time na ready na or okay na lahat, back to new normal, then you can pursue your career. That's all.
Masaya ka ba, sir, sa pagiging piloto?
So far, okay naman kasi ito na yung pinili kong career simula nung nasa military ako.
No regrets?
No regrets. I love flying.
Thank you, sir. So I'm updating myself regarding the position of the Typhoon. Currently, yeah, tinitingnan ko siya. I'm looking for the latest news. Hopefully when we land in Manila. I keep on saying hopefully when we land in Manila because I don't want to land in Manila with heavy rains and strong winds. Let's see. Sabi nila, when you're a good boy, you don't get to fly a lot of bad weather. Is that true, sir?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Sir, are you a good boy, sir?
Good living.
Yeah. Princess, anong mapapayo mo dun sa mga gustong mag-FA?
Right now, just go with your dream. Go with your dream and research sa possible questions for the impact interview. Research about the company. That's it. Good luck.
Importante ba yung good personality?
Of course. It's a must.
It's a must.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Heading at tower, Cebu 398.
Cebu 398 on your tower.
Cebu 398, Airbus 321, request ATC to Manila. Flight level 380.
Clearance on your
Standby, Cebu 398. Ready to copy, Cebu 398.
Cebu 398 cleared Manila by Lyrics 7 Alpha, Bravo 473 Patra. Maintain level 150 until advised on up to 7.4206.
So cleared to Manila by Lyrics 7 Alpha, Bravo 473 Prepara, Manila. Climb 150, 4206 on the clock, Cebu 398.
Now back in Manila, and fortunately, okay pa yung weather. Di ba, sir?
Yes, sir.
Good boys flying again. So, pag good boys ka,
I agree.
there are no bad weather. Do you agree, sir?
Yes, sir. 100% agree.
Sige.
Bye-bye. nating i-dim kasi baka maya na yan. Ay, wala na pala siguro.
Thank you!
Thank you, Captain!
Thank you!
Thank you po.
Sasama ko kayo ha.
Bago tayong dumating.
650,000 na kayo yung views, no?
We are ahead. Diba? Ahead by 1 hour.
Yes!
So that's good. Ano masasabi mo, Monica?
Galing.
Ha?
Ibang klase, swabe. Sabing-swabe ang lipad.
Anong ma-advise mo sa mga gustong maging FA katulad mo?
Advice, just work towards your dream. Kung talagang gusto mo, then focus and yeah, do everything that you can. Now, don't lose hope.
Don't quit.
Don't quit. No quitting.
Let's go.
Bye. Thank you, Captain.
Thank you.
Ingat
Thank
po.
you. Finally done with our flight today. I hope you learned something. On our next flight, I hope we finally reach that 50,000 subscribers. And when we reach 50,000, I have a gift for a very lucky subscriber. Those of you who are using APS-C camera and would like to transition to a full frame camera, the A7C is one of the best. In terms of image stabilization on video, it's nothing new. Actually, it's almost the same as the A7 III. I had the A7 III before. It's compared to the other cameras like the Canon EOS R or the Olympus's EM5 and EM1. It's not quite there yet, but the portability, the full frame sensor, the image quality, it's almost the perfect camera. Also with this digital mic and this grip, it's a very compact camera. You can bring it anywhere and not get attention, because every time I bring my EOS R, which is a big camera, it's a full frame camera too, with the 15 to 35 f2.8, sometimes people will look at me, and then also guards will tell me, are you do you have permit to shoot here? What are you going to do with that camera? Are you a professional videographer or photographer, something like that? And I don't like to get attentions like that. So with the A7C, it's a very small camera. You can bring it anywhere. Nobody will think that you're a professional, or nobody will tell you not to use the camera. So thank you very much. Until next time, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. See you.